How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Chevy II Nova Resto-Mod, done in a super nice arrival blue with a gray leather interior. Super slick little car. It's got LS in it. So all the grill and bumper and everything's real nice on the car. Got the high def headlights, a steel cowl hood. Car looks real good down the sides. They did a real nice flush mount fuel door there in the quarter instead of the normal fuel door. This has got all the SS trimmings, but it is not an SS car. But it's still got all the cool SS trimmings. Car looks good down the sides. It's got a fresh LS1 in it, 5.7. It's got a hot cam. It's got vintage AC. It's got power rack and pinion with the Heights front end. It's got your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. It's got the disc brakes up front. It's got Ididit tilt column in it. It's got all your gauges. It's got direct fit AM FM cassette stereo with iPod capability. Very, very tasteful job on the interior. It's got power front windows. It's got your vintage AC. It's all the stock buckets in it. Trunk's been all upholstered, match. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All new taillight housings and lenses. Got a set of chrome 695 Riddler wheels. Tell you, I really like the color combination. Two-tone, gray leather in it. Very, very nice job. Fire it up. Got a nice little camshaft in it. Sounds real good. Got full 3-inch exhaust all the way off the back. It's just a really cool car. complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com.